Hi, I'm Morrison. I'm from Grimsby. I've been to every Grimsby boat day since it started when I was this size. And I really enjoy it. There's lots of things to do all day, so you don't get bored anytime. There's plenty of competitions, which is what I tend to do. There's quizzes and creel stacking and rowing races. And last year and the year before that I won the rowing races, but last year I got this shield for winning the rowing. And also at the end of the day, after the prize giving, there's a tug of war, which is great fun. At night there's a big ceilidh where lots of people play, and there's good cakes as well. And last year I've been playing at most of them, but last year I played with a good fiddler here, and I play the accordion. I play Scottish traditional music and like fast tunes. I went out to high school in 2003, so 6 years ago, and there was a work party out there just restoring parts of the school, and I went out with my parents, and my dad and we did bits in the garden, and my father and his family lived out there a long time ago, and when they went out there they brought rhubarb from their house there, and when they returned back here after 4 years they brought that rhubarb back and planted it here. So then when we went out 6 years ago, we took some of that rhubarb back out and planted it in the garden which I had been working at, so it keeps going in between the two.